G'day and welcome to the channel. You still wasting hours slogging through keyword research on old school tools only to end up with zero traffic from AI search engines? Today, we're putting manual AEO head to head with automated AI agents to see what actually gets results right now. Let's dive into the video. Fact, welcome back to the channel. I've got something absolutely unreal for you today. If you're over the old SEO models and just want AI-driven traffic for your brand, look no further than Freevana. It's even been verified by ChatGPT, so let's check it out. Here we can see Freevana stacked up against traditional SEO. Now, I know you've given traditional SEO a crack, you've heard all about it. That's more for Google results, eh? But things have shifted, and as you know, we're living in the AI era now. So while SEO gives you insights, Freevana actually does the hard yakka for you. You don't have to guess what to type in anymore. You don't have to work it out yourself. Freevana runs on its own. It's ongoing. It just keeps chugging along. And the best bit is, SEO tools are all over the shop, but Freevana's got you covered from start to finish. It just gets the job done. One system, one agent. It's all fully integrated. So SEO was made for Google, but Freevana's built for what's next, as you can see here. And it's dead simple. We just jump in and have a look. So, as you can see, how do we do it? We use prompt research, then it keeps an eye on visibility, shows you how it works, and then it whips up content. It's as easy as that. You can check out user prompts, scenarios, even AO, and customers are absolutely loving it. So what you can do is just go ahead and sign in, and you can kick off a 7-day free trial, which is pretty bloody good. Just go ahead and log into the app. Now that we're signed in, we can see all the info, and I can go ahead and download Freevana. Now we can see the download started. So first up, we want to go ahead and install the app. Then we'll put in our product name, our website URL, our keywords, all that sort of thing. We'll activate the agent, and then we'll show you how it works. And the best bit is we can see the team. So what we're going to do now is either have a squiz at the quick start guide if we want, or just fire up the app. So here we can see the sound. Then we want to go ahead and click on more info, and then we want to run it. So here we can see Freevana loading up. Now we're inside the Freevana desktop app, and we can go ahead and create a team. This right here is an AOE team. You can also create a Rufus team. So I'm going to go ahead and create an answer optimization. So we'll need to enter and fill in some information. I'm just going to create a brand name. Now I'm going to go ahead and put in a link. This can be a link to your product, website, keywords, and we want specific keywords. So now that's done, we go ahead and click next. So we've got different options here. We've got the site AEO. We do prompt research. This is all set up, so that's good. You really don't have to go overboard here. You can also see the frequency articles, the comparisons, all that sort of stuff, and the information. So then we can just launch our AI team. It's really that simple. Couple of clicks and we're good to go. And then we can go ahead and either connect ChatGPT or Perplexity, and you can connect those right here. You can simply just hit connect and then authorize them. And that's all we need to do. Now, we've got our team agents, so these can be your agents. It's going to read your web browser. We can see all the team agents here. AI team, the weekly progress of the auto-completed tasks. We've got team questions, content, report. We can also see analytics right here on the side and alerts if anything's happening. So we've got the site auditor. I reckon this is actually really cool because instead of just saying, hey, I'm going to pay some SEO bloke or do that, I can just get my content strategist, my article writer. If you had a whole team like this, it'd be seriously expensive. But I've just got my AI team here, and now I can see the visibility score, the data scientist, the content article. You can do this for products, for your website, or for whatever you need, really. And the best part is, you can just keep an eye on your progress right here. So that's the desktop application. What exactly is Freevana? Like we said, it's an answer engine for optimization, an AEO platform. Most tools just show you insights. You just see, all right, people Googled, cats or maybe cryptocurrency or something like that. You don't really get to see much else. Freevana actually does the hard yards for you. You don't have to guess, and your brand gets picked up by AI. It deploys a team of autonomous agents, like we saw, right on your own computer and optimizes your brand for ChatGPT, Gemini, Perplexity. And you also get the usual SEO tools, because the old school SEO tools aren't really up to scratch for what we're doing now. They're built for Google's old link engine, as you can see here, and that's why other SEO tools sort of miss the mark. because they're trying to compete in a market that's going out of fashion. To give you the data you need to win in AI, you need AEO, which means structure and direct answers, not just chasing after high volume keywords like you used to. If we look at this and compare Freevana with other SEO tools, what really stood out to me was the AI native approach. It moves heaps quicker from insight to execution to visibility, and manual AO needs you to keep prompting it all. You're just guessing. I don't know what this is, what AI models want, spending hours writing. Freevana's agents have built-in IAO playbooks to handle competitor benchmarking and content creation, and it does it all on its own, autonomously. You don't have to jump in, check if someone's doing SEO, or keep tabs on them. It makes manual research a thing of the past. If you want to rank in AI search, traditional SEO tools just don't cut it anymore. Automated I/O is the only way to scale up and capture this new traffic. Because agents run locally, you get enterprise-level automation for a fraction of the cost without having to hand over your private data to cloud models. So guys, stop wasting time on all that manual keyword research. Start smashing it in AI search automatically. Check the description to kick off your 7-day free trial of Freevana now. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and ring the notification bell. Catch you next time.